Assalamualaikum. My name is NURUL Sahira binti MOHD.HALIM. My room metric is 2022752961 and my supervisor name is TS Dr. Nurul binti Sahira. Today I want to present to you my project from chapter 1 until chapter 3, which is my title is Geolocation Driving Crowdsourcing Housing Finder for UiTM around non-resident students. For a background of study in my project is non-resident students at UiTM around often struggle to find suitable housing due to a limited organized option. They need to consider that cost, proximity, facilities, and landlord reputation. Current applications like Google Maps and Waze that don't provide enough rental information near the campus. A proposed geolocation driving crowdsourcing housing finder application aims to address this by offering real-time details on housing, amenities, price, and landlord reviews using geolocation technology and community input. There are several objectives have been defined to ensure the project goals is achieved. The study aims to accomplish the following objectives. Number 1 is to investigate housing challenges encountered by non-resident students at UiTM around. Second is to develop and implement a mobile application for crowdsourced housing search. Third is to evaluate the system through functionality and usability testing. For a project scope, the project developed a mobile application for non-resident students in UiTM around to efficiently find accommodation using geolocation. Replacing manual method, the application will help students locate housing relative to their location and the campus. Features include filters for distance, price, facilities, and user reviews for information decision. A user-friendly interface ensures a smooth search experience. Using MySQL database service, PHP, Android Studio, and Google APIs, the project will go through design, development, and evaluation phases. Focus on user-centric design and technology integration to enhance the accommodation search process for UiTM around students. Project significant. For a student benefit, the mobile application provides a convenient platform for non-resident students at UiTM around to find affordable housing near campus. It allows them to easily access a range of housing options. View detailed information about each listing, including location and amenities, and make a well-informed accommodation decision. For a landlord benefit, for landlord and property owners, the application simplifies the process of managing property listing, handling inquiries, and security bookings. It enhances communication with prospective tenants, helping to streamline property management and increase tenant satisfaction. Third is a local economic impact. The application stimulates the local economy by increasing demand for regional products and services as more students find accommodation through the platform. This can lead to a business growth for landlords and local service providers, potentially creating new jobs and fostering economic development. Lastly, for overall impact, the development of this house hunting app by UiTM addresses the accommodation needs of campus students while supporting local economy growth and improving the housing search experience. It represents a significant step forward in enhancing the living condition of the student community and the economic vitality of the surrounding area. For a summary of Chapter 2, Comprehensive Literature Review. First is student housing. Research over the last 2 decades highlights the crucial role of a student housing in educational environments. High-quality housing positively impacts students' academic performance, social engagement, adaptation to university life, and personal development, whereas a poor living condition can lead to stress and lower academic achievement. Due to limited on-campus housing, many students resort to off-campus options. leading to studentification in certain neighborhoods. The challenges of a student housing. Key issues include the scarcity and varying quality of housing options, high cost, long commute, and safety concerns. Off-campus housing can strain student budget and disrupt local communities. Collaboration between institution, authorities, housing providers, and students is essential to address these challenges and ensure accessible, affordable housing. Next is geolocation. Geolocation service enhance internet mapping and network analysis by linking digital and physical location. These services vary in cost and application with APIs like Google Maps, providing location accuracy via GPS and network signal. For features, geolocation features enable real-time tracking, mapping, navigation, and ETA calculation. These functionalities improve user experience by providing nearby points of interest and facilitating exploration. For a benefit of geolocation, in student housing management, geolocation helps students find nearby accommodation efficiently, enhances safety through real-time tracking, and enables informed decision-making by mapping local facilities and services. Crowdsourcing reviews also enriches the platform with available insight. For our challenges, the challenges include ensuring accurate location tracking, addressing privacy concerns, maintaining up-to-date geolocation data, and the technical complexity of integrating geospatial technologies. Next is crowdsourcing. Crowdsourcing leverages collective intelligence to solve complex problems by engaging a large group of contributors. Crowdsourcing models. These models involve posting tasks online for freelancers to submit solutions. The main challenge is attracting high-quality contributors. The example of a crowdsourcing model include Google Maps for traffic data, GitHub for educational content management, and Lego Edits for community-driven product development. Next is a mobile application. Mobile applications are integral to modern life, offering portability and ease of use across various industries. Geolocation is a common feature requiring internet connectivity and cell site regulation for location detection. User interface. User interface design combines graphical element and system navigation for a seamless integration between users and application. Data handling is a systematic, involves collecting, organizing, storing, and analyzing data to maintain accuracy and reliability. Geolocation integration development. Developing a geolocation-driven crowdsourcing housing finder for UiTM requires integrating geolocation services, cross-sort reviews, and ensuring users' privacy and security. Next is a related location-based service. Location-based service use extensive geospatial database for real-time accurate geographic information essential for emergency response and personnel management. For a geocoding API, the project utilizes the Google Geocoding API for converting addresses into geographic coordinates and vice versa, essential for the application's functionality. Database management invested data involve using tools to handle data storage, organization, and accessibility, improving decision making and performance. For user feedback system, the application will incorporate user feedback linked to a specific locations, enabling students to provide insight on housing condition. In related work, various existing housing and property rental applications provide insight for developing to non-resident student application. First, ANB, the global platform for renting accommodations, featuring user reviews and rating. Next is Waze, processing navigation application, providing real-time routes update. Next is Speed Home, Malaysian platform for renting and buying properties with virtual viewing and zero deposit option. Next is Mudah.my, Malaysian classified and platform for property rentals and sales. Next is HPROP, web-based real estate platform offering detailed property listing and market analysis. This application offers various features and functionalities that can inform the development of the NURUL mobile application, particularly in terms of user trust, geolocation integration, and community feedback. Chapter 3. In this chapter, I'm using agile methodology. First phase is analysis phases. The diagram depicts the analysis phases of the project, starting with a preliminary study and followed by identifying the project's problem statement, research question, objective, scope, and significance. It includes reviewing related work, analyzing system component, front-end and back-end, and studying user requirements. Techniques involves researching journals and materials. The deliverables are documents detailing the problem statement, objective, project scope and significance, culminating in the system requirements specification and the achievement of the first project objective. Next is design phases. In these phases, the main activity is system design. Techniques such as Canva and Draw.io are used to create visual representations. The deliverables from this phase include a use case diagram, a flowchart for a mobile, and application interface. The diagram outlines the development phases of a project. These phases involve setting up a database server and coding using visual tools to establish the database. Techniques such as Android Studio and Google API are used. The main deliverable of this phase is a prototype mobile application. Next is for testing phases. The diagram outlines the user acceptance testing process with 4 key elements. Phases, activity, techniques, and deliverable. It starts with the testing phase, where the activity is the user acceptance test. The techniques applied is user acceptance, leading to the final deliverables of testing results. The sequence flow logically from the testing phase to the deliverables, highlighting a structured approach to UAT. Next is for documentation. The diagram outlines documentation phases of a project. Key activities include compiling data, drawing conclusion, and building the full thesis using Microsoft Word. The final deliverable is a complete thesis report. Next is